Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossipfunda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic Best Blogging Platform. Starting with the introduction, while creating a blog of your own, there are two options. Firstly, what blogging is. Blogging is a platform, or what you can say a source, that connects us with the world daily. For example, the help of blogs, we can promote business. We can able to connect on a personal level with others with the help of blogs. And the second one, for creating your blog, are simple to create a website and post your blog on it and keep maintaining those websites. This is an old and successful option. This is done through some software like Wix with the help of WordPress. Major blogging platforms. Different blogs have some positive and negativity. It depends upon you which blogging platform that takes your blogging skills to a high level. You have to choose the platform that changes the type of services of yours so that you have to serve better you need. Different blogging sites provided both free and paid features. It depends upon you whether there is a plan to make money. So through paid features, you can get many latest and the features that make your blog too much attractive. The following blogging platforms are: first one is WordPress. It is most flexible software used for blogging. It is used to create website, and within the site we can host our blogs. You can easily fulfill your need with the help of WordPress that you need in your blog. It helps you to build your website within a minute. For that you have to buy your domain name, get web hosting and log into your WordPress account. You can easily control your blogs with the help of WordPress. For using the WordPress, you have to perform routine backups and maintain your daily blogs. With the help of WordPress, you can easily install free themes, custom plugins, etc. that make your blog the same you want it. It is used for online businesses, mostly used by professional bloggers for promoting offline businesses also. Now we have to come the cost of WordPress. It is free. Only the user have to pay for a domain name. Premium themes, which used for adding the flexibility to your blog, which makes your blog best for the others who read. Next is Wix. It is known for website builder. It was introduced to build websites, and it is used to start your blog as it provides an easy way for owning your blog. Wix was introduced in 2006. In this, for creating the website, the skills of coding are not even required. The users of this software was also increasing day by day and reached over 110 million worldwide. The key feature of this Wix is that web pages or blogs you create can be supported by the device which can be ported, that is portable devices. With the help of these portable devices, you can display your blogs to anyone on your smartphones or tablets. Next is Medium. It was introduced in 2012. It is like social networking sites, but we have to log in it and then post the blog in it. The address after signing the Medium is like https://medium.com @ your name. In this commenting part is twisted as compared to other platforms of blogging. This is with the help of Medium. The one who is reading the blog can like and share and can also comment on margins. Next is Tumblr. It is known as microblogging. Compared to other blogging platforms, the Tumblr platform is slightly different with social networking features and reblogging. This basic motive of this platform is to concentrate on the community of bloggers, so there is a lot of variety for sharing and reblogging your content. The main focus of this platform is on the photos and GIFs, which help the user to understand the content very clearly. Last but not the least, conclusion. At the end of this video, I want to conclude that if you are starting with the profession of blogging or the passion writing blog, for that, the most important thing is to choose the platform which helps you to make your blog as you need. In this video, some platforms are discussed which is most used and trending, which can easily fulfill your need and make your blog as you want. Pros and cons are also there which help you to choose the platform. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.